Hello, Barry Anderson here with Trade Ideas or from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and this is RRD, and this is from our AI. So there was the alert at 663. It's still alive. I think if it can take out 7, it may still have some room. Now, the interesting thing about this one is that it had news pre-market that a company called, I think it was Chatham, who own about 15% of the company, is putting an unsolicited bid to take over the rest of the company for $7.50 a share. So of course the company is saying, well, this is unsolicited, but we'll take a look at it. So that is the reason for the pop. And whether it goes through 7 and gets close to 750, of course we don't know right now. But that's a great percentage gain from 663 all the way up to 7. That's about a 6 or 7% gain. And it could still be in play. If it can take out 7, if they come back and say, yeah, we will consider this, you never know what could happen. But anyway, that is definitely the trade of the day out of the AI on a percentage basis, a great trade, and taking advantage of the news. So now, in the email you're getting, you will see a link to the test drive. We're second day into the test drive. You can still sign up for it. You'll get the ballot. You'll get 8 days, not 10 days, if you sign up today when you see this email. So you'll get the balance of 8 days. It'll take you to October 22nd. So all the details are in the test drive link, so you can sign up. And otherwise, I will open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.